Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Goran Guitar and to Milky Chance's Reckless Child. So, nice song there. Milky Chance been here before. So, Reckless Child, some cool. I don't know why I like this. Some tension song here, a bit edgy. I don't know why, but the sound here is different, and I really love that. So we're gonna take a look at Milky's song here with the capo set on the first fret. Okay, so with that we have a couple of chords to go over, and let's do that together. So we have first the D minor, and that is open D, second G, third B, and first E. We have also the A sharp. We're gonna go with the sus version here. So that's a bar chord here on the first fret. You don't need to bar the last E string here, so just 5 strings from bottom up if you count like that. And then you need to add 3rd fret on the D string and 3rd fret on G. We also have the A. So that is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. We have F as well. So that's a bar chord again on the first fret, this time over all strings. And then you need to add 3rd fret on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. And I also need to learn this chord here, the C. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And there we have all the tools here, but we need to learn the string pattern as well. So if we go to the first chord, that's the D minor. One round will be of strumming down, up, clap, down. So down, up, clap, down. So a couple rounds of this. Right, so we're ready for the different parts here. We're gonna start with the first verse, and you have just 2 chords here: D minor, 4 string rounds, and A sharp, 4 string rounds. You're gonna play that for 2 rounds. So D minor 4, A sharp 4, D minor 4, A sharp 4, like this. So that's the first verse. Then over to pre-chorus, and you're gonna play again just 2 chords. This time it's D minor 4 still, but then you have A 4. And you're gonna play for only this D minor 4 and A 4. That's it for the pre-chorus, like this. That's it. Over now to the first chorus. So this one will be A sharp, 2 string rounds, F, 2 string rounds, C, 2 string rounds, and D minor, 2 string rounds. You're gonna play that for 3 rounds, okay? And then on the 4th and final round, you're gonna replace the C with an A instead, and just leave the D minor out of it. It will be a pause there. So you're gonna play A for 3 rounds of strumming, and then just leave out the D minor. So A sharp 2, F2, C2, and D minor 2 for 3 rounds. And on the 4th round, I'm gonna play A sharp 2, F2, A3 plus a pause. And that's it. So let's go. Round. And final round. And pause there. And That's the end of the chorus, the first one. Then comes the second verse. Again, no changes there. 2 rounds of the same, and the same goes with the second pre-chorus, exactly the same as the first one. But then we have the second chorus, and differs a little bit from the first one. So I'm gonna take you through this here. So with A sharp 2, D minor 2, C2, and D minor 2. That's different. So you're gonna play that chord progression for 2 rounds, and then you play A sharp 2, F2, C2, and D minor 2 in the same way as you played in the first chorus. And then you're gonna end the song with this A sharp 2, F2, and A4. And that is actually the ending of not just the second chorus, but also this song here. So I think you can play that through on your own. I just mentioned it. So this pretty much covers Milky Chance's Reckless Child. So if you enjoy his songs and other new songs that you think you can hear here from Golden Guitar, please feel free to subscribe to this channel. But also, if you want to have your song here and learn this, you can just write a comment to me, and I will perhaps bring them up for you on this Wednesday or a future Wednesday, because we have Wednesdays here where you wish for songs, so that is pretty much your day. So I hope that is good enough for you guys, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, please like this and support me in any way. So really appreciate that. Until next time, play tuned.